I'm in the middle of this. I thought I'd just give a quick tip. I don't know if it's in other videos on YouTube, but I'm replacing a few cells in my hybrid battery. I just marked the dates on them so I know which ones I changed and when. To slide these things out, there's bolts in the bottom, 8mm bolts that hold on all the positive ones. Yeah, I think it's all the positive side. It holds on a bolt. So if you're changing cell by cell, I would suggest honestly just leaving them out when you put this back together, because this bracket right here is strong enough to hold the whole battery pack in place. So I mean, if you want to go through taking them out again, you can do that, but I would suggest just leaving them out, especially if you know some of your batteries, some of your cells are going like borderline bad. I would just fucking leave them out for the future, because I know eventually I'm probably gonna have to change the others. And even if I do go cell by cell, I'll end up paying about $900. And if I replace a whole battery pack, the cheapest I saw locally was like $1,250, $1,300. So for a couple minutes out your day, you can save a couple $100. And I know it's way more than that online, pushing $2,000, $3,000 depending where. But I've done this before on a previous Prius that I had, and I had no issues. Like I replaced maybe the same amount of cells, 6 or 7 of them, and I was driving the car for over a year, 2 years. I had no issues with it. So you guys, there's other videos on YouTube how to like fully disassemble this, so you can look at that. But I'm just giving my opinion on it, trying to save you guys a couple bucks.